Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together.
Hey there, I'm Ben.
And I'm Emma.
Welcome to our English channel. If you want to improve your English with real conversations,
Fun topics, useful grammar, and everyday vocabulary.
you're in the right place.
We create short and simple dialogues.
And also more advanced ones for higher levels.
You'll hear how English is really used.
And we'll keep things easy to follow, no boring lessons.
Exactly. Just friendly talks, clear examples, and lots of learning.
So, whether you're a beginner,
Or already on your way to fluency,
join us.
let's learn English, one conversation at a time.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.